we're going to be doing a review on the Hyde Corner Ease. Good morning everybody. We've got something a little different today. We're going to be doing a review on the Hyde Corner Ease. Now what this is, it's a fast cut-in tool for paint and drywall mud. 100% lambswool, will not shed. And yeah, so it looks like it comes with a little tray and it's on a roller pole. Looks like you can screw your extension in there. So what I'm looking at is trying to use it on the corners of my new houses. So this is the Hyde Corner Ease. So I was going to open it and start, but I actually haven't opened it yet. So that's it. What a weapon. And yeah, looks weird. Oh look, it's a bit of fluff coming off there, look. And I doubt if that's genuine lambswool, to be honest. Hyde is normally a very good product, so I don't know if you can see all that stuff coming off there. Yeah, but like I said, whether it's genuine lambswool is yet to be seen. So in the box, I've actually got a tray, 5-gallon bucket grid. Okay, so that's for a 5-gallon bucket grid, which is a 15 litre. So maybe it just sits in the bucket. Yeah, hey, that'll work well. I'm excited to try that. Nothing else in the packet. Let's see what it says. Use this kit with 5-gallon bucket pail. Directions: delint wool cover with tape. If using water-based paint, moisten cover and spin out excess water thoroughly. If using oil-based paints, which I probably wouldn't do, but you could do it, moisten cover with the appropriate solvent before you're applying. Pour 1 to 2 gallons of paint, stain or compound into a 5-gallon bucket. Do not use with full 5-gallon bucket. Well, that makes sense. And spread the corner ease tray in the bucket top side up. Place some paint behind the top of the tray to begin and keep it in place. So I'll give this a little rinse out in water, and I'll put an extension pole on it, just a little 2-footer. Okay, it seems to be spinning alright. I put some undercoat in the 5-gallon bucket or 15 litre bucket, and yeah, we're going to see what happens. My main concern is these corners here, because we actually only hit them with a spray gun and then we brush them final. Now if we can get away, if we can use this here and get it done so much faster, yeah, it's going to be so much quicker, so much better. Wow, look at that. I like that. Am I impressed? Yeah, a little bit. So if you get any dust in these corners, this would force it out. Awesome. I'm doing this with one hand, so if I had 2 hands, it'd be a lot easier. Well, it sure beats brushing, that's for sure. Let's just see what it's like when I do a 300 square metre house with it. Right, so I've had a bit of a go at it. What do I think? It has two problems. One is this handle here touching the wall every now and then, so you have to be very careful of that. Two is the fat edge that it can create. So using it for undercoat where that fat edge can be sanded off, it won't be too bad. But you wouldn't want to use it for a finish coat unless you're actually rolling straight up next to it. You were doing wet on wet. If you did it wet on wet, it'd probably be okay. But for what I'm doing now, I'm just basically just rolling these corners. As you can see there, workers rolled the walls. Now I've just got that insert there, which normally I hit with a spray gun, but the spray gun, if there's any dust in there, the spray gun will just sit on it, and it's never really that good. So by using this here, we're going to force that dust into it, and yeah, so hopefully you're going to get a better quality finish. Normally we run a brush down that when we actually cut in the house, rather than use a spray gun. But this might save us a bit of time. Now we'll see how it goes. It's definitely got a lot of potential, and I'm going to be using it. It's something that's going to be in my kit now, and I'm just going to keep using it because I actually like it. So this little gadget gets the thumbs up from the painter. I think it cost around $50-something, this one here, Australian dollars. Now Hyde is a good brand name. I wouldn't, there are some cheap Chinese ones out there I wouldn't touch. There's some cheap Chinese ones out there I probably wouldn't touch. If you're going to buy one of these, stick to the good name brand like Hyde, 100% lambswool, and pretty soon we'll see whether this is, you'll see me using this on some jobs, and if it's 100% lambswool, it'll still be good in 6 months' time. So yeah, thanks for watching the Hyde Corner Roller. And it washes up really easy too. It just, this cover just popped off this roller frame. So, and I just rinsed it in some fresh water, and we'll see how it goes.